Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a bullet journal setup type video. I am currently using a sketchbook that I turned into a bullet journal. Previously, I have used a Stalogy as well as a Zequins. For a very short time I used the Zequins, but I will have all things bullet journaling in the description box for you guys to check out. So let's go ahead and jump right into what I'm going to be doing. So I have these stickers that are going to be perfect to create sections in my bullet journal, and they are from Gold Mine and Cocoa. I got them in a sub box. I just need to find them in this reusable sticker book. I'm not going to be using all of them, but they will come in handy. See, if I wasn't looking for them, I would find them. Here they are. And then I'm also going to be using these removable index tabs to create the sections, and these are from Dollar Tree. So how I've been using this is a culmination of note-taking for things around my house, things for my business, just mapping everything out in one central location. It's been easier for me to keep up with it that way. And then as far as weekly versus daily planning, I can go into a whole different video about that, which I will do. But when it comes to weekly versus daily planning, I like to do a brain dump, and then for those days when I have a lot going on, I will go and do daily pages if need be. But I have been home for the past 2 weeks from work, but now that I'm going back to work, I don't really need daily pages. I'm back to that structure schedule that I have. So when you open it up, here's what February looked like, and here was my previous bullet journal. Again, a sketchbook that I transformed, and I really like the sketchbook option because it's on a coil versus a bound option. So I have all of this stuff, and I have these sections here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with finances, because I did go ahead and write down my finances for March. And another thing about this is that I just turn the page and write. I don't have like a particular section marked off inside of here. I just turn the pages. Alright, so here is my finances. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure this isn't doubled. Going to go ahead and take this. And I am heavy saving. But I'm going to put this here, but I'm going to put the tab on the other side. And then I'm going to stick it down like that. So there's finances. And then what other section do I want to use? I'm just going to go ahead and make a weekly. And I think I do have I thought I had a goals. I do have a home section for things that I am clearing out. Major things happening here on the home front. So let me go ahead and flip to that. And then I have a goals section, but I don't know exactly where that is. So here we go. Here's the home section. And I have a lot of stuff that I'm decluttering. And then let's see. gonna leave a page here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my weekly. It's gonna be easier for me to do a weekly section, or I could just do lists. But let's do weekly. Let's do weekly. And I'm gonna do a side tab for the weekly. These are also to the point where I can also cut them in half if I want to, which I've done before. I do need to move these up a little bit. All right. So far there's finances, home, and then weekly. So I'm left with inbox, list, personal, shopping, meals, fitness, cleaning, and meal plan. I'm trying to think, do I have any other label stickers? And I think I do in some Happy Mail that I purchased. So I can just use it from this kit from Gold Paper Prints. I'm trying to see if there's a goals sticker. I just need goals. I need a goals. Inbox, daily, meal plan. I don't really need lists because lists overlap with my weekly. A business one would be cool to have as well. That would be nice, but I don't have that clear sticker. So I'm gonna have to improvise a little bit, but finances, home, weekly is the gist. The other two sections that I do want to categorize would just be something for my business. And then, so I'm gonna go ahead and do personal for goals. And I've mentioned goal setting here before, but my goal setting that I did was different. So I went and wrote down the areas that I want to improve in. And then I wrote my target of what it is that I want in those areas. So it was just 3 areas that I wanted to work on for this month. And then I'm going to be creating habit trackers within those, which I'll get to in a second. So those are my 4 sections. I just have finances, home, personal, and weekly. And then for my personal, when it comes to me setting my goals for May, it could be me readjusting the category. So right now I'm working on partnerships is one of them, and then my health, and then the third is my business and just the brands that I'm working on, both 15 Roses and Chaotic Critic. So that's what I'm doing. And then at the end of the month, I have how am I progressing, what needs work, what can be eliminated, and reassess for April. So those are the sections. I may end up finding one and like cutting this in half and doing like a business section, but I don't have that sticker offhand. I thought that I could use one that I had here, but that's not the case. Yeah, I really don't. Nope. I'll figure it out for the business part. And then I think I'm just going to go ahead and cut one of these in half. Where's my scissors? Scissors. Oh, scissors. Here they are. Per usual, my office is always a mess. Alright, so I'm just going to tab this off as far as business stuff. I'm just going to make a little tab here for the different things that I'm working on in that area. And the home section isn't even that big of a section, but because I am in the process of moving a lot of things, there's a lot of moving parts, it does need to have its own designated section. In my finances, I'm working heavy on a savings, and I've been doing very, very well, but I will share with you guys all of that later on. All right, so now I'm going to grab this monthly calendar so that I can make a tracker, and I put the personal tab on the section where I have my goals sheet so I can reference my trackers. So it is Monday is the 8th. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I kind of fumbled the play on that one. And I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm going to go ahead and set up my trackers. So I use these calendar sticky notes that I've had forever from the Target One Spot, and I created some general trackers. So I have less takeout, more cooking, weekly savings, and then business focus. So I want to work on my business every single day, at least for 2 to 3 hours, which is manageable. If I do more, great. And because they all don't fit here, I'm going to create a little tip-in with some tape. And I tore a piece of paper out of my other sketchbook bullet journal, used my paper trimmer, cut it down to size, and voila. I'm all for layering in my planner, and it's one of the ways to maximize the space. Is it the cutest? No, but is it functional? Yes. Actually, I think I might tape this up. That'll be better than to do it on the side. This way, when I flip it up, I can still mark things off. All right, so I'm going to put my savings here. That's weekly. And then let's take out more cooking. I did go ahead and sign up for HelloFresh just to try it out. I've tried it out before, but like I wasn't really that into the whole cooking thing then, but I have been spending a lot of money on food. So that's become a problem for me. And I'm just going to use, I'm actually going to offset this a little bit because if I want to, I can add some stickers. And I'll probably add like some deco or something. And then the cooking one, and then the savings one. And I just don't like when they're lifted. So there we have my trackers. And if I want to put notes on the side of my progress, I can. But yeah. So the 6th and the 7th, I can for sure mark off. So now let's go ahead and jump to the weekly as far as what's going to be happening this week. I am just going to have a to-do list for the week, and I'm going to use one of these to-do headers from, what shop? No, not that one. I do have some to-do stickers in this stack that I know I would never use in my memory planner, and that's where they come in handy now. So this is from Gold Paper Prints. I thought I had to-do headers. Am I bugging? I very well could be. Here they are. They are in front of my face because I pay attention to all things. All right. So I'm just going to put week of March 8th to the 14th. And I'm just going to pop this to-do sticker, and then I will go ahead and write in my list. Now, if there's a day where I need to have a daily, I have all of this space over here. If I want to make notes on this page, I have the space to do that. If I want to go back and add things to any of these, within these sections back here, I can do that as well. That's the flexibility of the bullet journal for me, but that is it for setting up. Let me see, under my finance one, if I wanted to add a little something. My finance one's all the way over here. I think I will. I think I'm gonna add a doll sticker, and that would be, good question, where's my sticker book? Again, I don't have it all together, and that's okay. I'll get it together. I will. There we go. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, who do I want to use this week? I'm gonna use her. And this doll is from Gold Mine and Coco. So I'm just going to use her. And I hope that in putting this on here, I think I'm just going to move it over then, my finance tab, so that it doesn't interfere with messing up the cute little doll sticker. Stickers are just nice. Gives you a little something extra to look at. And I think I'm going to cover this one with a Bills sticker. I was just using what I had. So I'm actually going to shift this important sticker to over here, and then just put bills due here, and nothing is wasted. All right, so we have the finances, and then the home I'll go ahead and move over. So we have home, finances, personal, and weekly, and that is it. I do definitely want to decorate my cover. I haven't exactly decided what I want to do with that, but that is it. Setting up my bullet journal, creating sections, trackers, and setting up for my upcoming weekly. And then of course, I always pull in sticky notes and list pads into my planner on a regular. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. How do you set up your planner? What planner are you currently using? Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have more information on my planning style, all things bullet journaling. I'll have memory planning in the description box as well. And of course, ways to keep up with me on social media. Check out my shop, 15roses.com. I have some stickers in my shop, which I'm super excited about. I'll give you guys a sneak peek, but I will be doing a video. So I have added some positive affirmation stickers to my shop, and they're very affordable. I'll have, again, the link in the bio, 15roses.com. Follow my shop Instagram at shop15roses, and my all things planning and more Lakia Instagram at Chaotic Critic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.